छुपाई हुई है। कम ऑन, निकालो ना, बी ब्रेव। मैं पाकिस्तान की बेटी हूँ, मैं आई हूँ। Come on, stop. Stop. You want to use stop. Why don't you go Pakistan? Go with it.
Why you don't you tell him? Why you don't you Oh, they are one piece people. You know, no, not your money. You are disrespecting me. The phone has been taken. There's video evidence of you taking that phone. If you don't tell me right now what's happened to that phone, then you're going to have to be arrested.
I haven't taken it.
Okay. Well, that's really disappointing. That is time you're arrested for theft. And as I just said, that's anything that may harm the defence. Do not make anything decent may be given evidence. Come with me. We need to investigate this matter. Okay? Come on. Cheers.
I go with you.
Come with me. Thank you. You keep your phone. Really sad that this has happened at this time. Someone come in. Quick, can you come with me? You're making sure you haven't got any knives or guns on you.
No, man.
Okay. You're under arrest. I'll leave it there. Tell it to you.
I take the money from you.
That's okay. I don't need to take that. Control Thomas, you want?
My phone.
Yeah, I'll take it. We get self space, please. One arrested for theft by 1641 male non-compliant. You take a seat, please.
Yeah, thank you.
Great, can you get connection, mate? Try and cross the road, yeah? Do you mind getting the stuff off the picture? Cheers.
At least you arrest somebody.
Right, we're going to go. Get that video.
Job done.
Someone come in the back. Craig, can you come with me?
Nasser,
1 minute. Step back for a second.
Just wait.
You haven't got any knives or guns on you.
No.
Let go. I'm going to search you. You're under arrest. I'll leave it there. Tell it to your money. That's okay. I don't need to take that.